This is a story of two guys with the exact same income. Both are 20 years old. Both have $140 left over at the end of the week. The only difference is what happens on Friday night. One of them spends that $140 on drinks, Ubers, and fast food. The other puts that same $140 into a boring index fund. To them, it's just $100. They have no idea they just set two completely different lives in motion. By age 25, not much has changed on the surface. They both still have the same jobs, but the numbers tell a different story. The guy on the left has spent over $36,000 on weekends. He has some great memories, but his bank account is usually near zero by Tuesday. The guy on the right has $46,000. He hasn't done anything special. He just let his money sit. He's starting to feel a sense of peace that his friend doesn't understand. At 30, the math starts to get aggressive. The party guy has now spent $72,000. He's starting to realize that the fun is getting expensive, and he's still living paycheck to paycheck. He is trapped. The investor now has $132,000. $60,000 of that is pure profit from growth. He realizes he could stop working for a year and be fine. He has something his friend will never have: leverage over his own time. By age 40, the gap is a canyon. The first guy spent $145,000 on weekends over 2 decades. He's 40, tired, and has to say yes to a boss he hates because he has no backup plan. The second guy has nearly $500,000. He's worked the exact same job, but he's essentially bought his freedom. He's not rich because he's a genius. He's rich because he understood that $140 at age 20 is worth more than $140 at age 40. Neither of them is right or wrong. It's just math. One spent his 20s partying, the other spent his 20s investing. The question is, which one are you building? Subscribe if you want to see the path I'm taking. See you in the next one.